Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be looking at these Ringke cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now, I have done a recent video for these cases, but I did not have the device in hand. And not only are we going to be looking at the cases and how well they fit the device and how good they look on the device, but we are going to be drop testing the device using these cases just to see how well they hold up and protect your Note 9. Now, I'm not going to lie, I am a bit nervous because this is my device. I bought it with my own money. So yes, I am kind of nervous. I'm really hoping they hold up well, which I'm pretty confident that they will because I have done a previous video using these cases for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I did a drop test and it held up well. No damage was done to that device. So I can pretty much expect the same thing for these cases for the Note 9, but hey, you always gotta be ready for the worst. So we're gonna drop test this, and like I said, I'm risking it all for you guys. So if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a like on this video if you do like it and find yourself interested in these cases towards the end. So without any more waiting, let's get these cases on, see how they look on the device, and we're gonna drop test each one of them. So let's go. All right, so the first case we are taking a look at here is the black Onyx case, and I'm not gonna lie, this looks absolutely beautiful on this device, especially this blue Note 9. It has a nice brushed metal finish to it as well. Look at that, let it soak in. There it is, and then if you turn it to the side, you get to see this nice lip on top and the bottom. So basically, if you drop it face down, you shouldn't get any damage done to the screen, at least any scratches. I'm sure if you drop it hard enough, your screen might crack, but as far as scratches go and light falls, you should get no damage done to the screen. Buttons seem very responsive. Let's try the volume buttons. There we go. Looking good, looking great. The bottom, you'll see the nice cutouts for the S Pen. You got the speaker, microphone, charging port, and headphone jack. And up top, we have a microphone cutout as well. And then in the back, there's a nice indentation for the camera and fingerprint scanner. But yes, my thoughts, I think this case looks absolutely amazing on this device, but looks are not everything. The question is, will it actually protect your device? So I'm going to drop this from waist high, since that's where most falls kind of happen. If you're pulling the phone out of your pocket or getting up out of a chair, you're most likely to kind of drop your phone that way. So I'm going to drop it about waist high right here, and let's see how well the phone holds up. I'm a little scared. This is going to kill me as much as I'm sure it's going to kill you guys watching this, but let's try it out in 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that sounded pretty hard, but let's see if there's any damage done. It's face down as well. Looking at the bottom, it looks like the S Pen did pop out, but let's take a look at the screen. And oh my goodness, no damage was done. No scratches or cracks, as you can see here. Let me get a close-up. Looks like no damage was done. What's this right here? Oh, just a little piece of dust. Everything looks good. Let me turn it on. Still responsive, still working good. So there it is, the black Onyx case. Like I said, I will throw all the links for these cases down in the description below in case you find yourself interested. Now let's move on to the next case. All right, so here we got the next case. This is the Fusion X. Now this case itself looks a little bit more durable than the last one. It's got the nice hard rubber on the sides. It's got a hard plastic in the middle. Still got the nice indentations for the camera and fingerprint sensor. Buttons are still very responsive on this one as well. Volume buttons and all that. I don't want to get stuck in Bixby, so I'm not going to press that button. But you got all the nice perfect cutouts on the bottom of this as well. Got the headphone jack, charging port, microphone, speaker, and the S Pen cutouts, and also the microphone up top. But overall, feels like a solid case. So let's go ahead and drop this one. Like I said before, looks are not everything. It does still look nice on this device, a little bit more rugged than the other one. Maybe if you're a construction worker or you're just outside a lot, this might be the one to go with. But as we saw from the one before, that one's going to protect your device just as well. So let's go ahead and drop this and see how well the protection is in 1, 2, 3. Like and subscribe. Oh, here we go. Let's see. All right, so it doesn't look like the S Pen popped out on this one. Let's take a look at the screen, and the screen actually still looks good. Doesn't look like any damage was done. Great job so far, Ringke, on these cases. It's really showing how protective they can be. So yes, this is the Fusion X case. Now let's move on to the last one. Alrighty, I'm losing light out here, but this is the final case. This is their clear case if you're trying to show off that beautiful color of your Note 9. You basically get the same thing as the last cases, the nice indentation for the cameras and fingerprint sensor. The buttons on the side still feeling responsive. There it goes, as you can see. Responsive, volume rockers, looking good. Cutouts at the bottom as well for the S Pen, the speaker, microphone, headphone jack, and the charging port, and also the microphone for the top of the device. All right, so let's go ahead and drop test with this case in a 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that one kind of sounded like it did a little bit more damage than the last ones, but I'm hoping it's good because I paid money for this. Let's see, the S Pen did not pop out on this one like the first one. Screen is still looking good. It is looking great. So we have dropped this device 3 times, once with each case, and each of them did well protecting this device. I am truly impressed. So there it is, you guys. These cases held up very well with that drop test in protecting the device. I hope this video helped you out with your decision on picking a case and deciding if one of these are right for you or not, or maybe if you were wondering if they will even protect your device if you do drop it. So there is some proof for you guys. They will do a great job at protecting your device if you do happen to drop it. But yes, these are the cases by Ringke. You got the clear case, the Fusion X in the middle, and then the black Onyx on the right, which is my absolute favorite out of the cases. But like I said before, if you find yourself interested, the links will be down in the description below, so you can purchase 1 or 2 for yourself. You guys, let me know your thoughts down below of what you thought of this video, this little drop test here, and these cases. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Like and subscribe and turn on post notifications if you have not already to keep up with more videos to come. You guys, this is Josh Quinones, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.